The courts have ordered the government to pay 11.5 billion shillings to Orbit Chemicals Limited. While delivering the landmark ruling, the judge said the compensation is for losses Orbit Chemicals incurred by virtue of not being allowed to use a piece of land along Mombasa Road in Nairobi.
And in the meantime, 10,000 graduates of engineering from the Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and Egerton University have been awarded 200,000 shillings each by the Milimani High Court.
10,000 graduates of schools of engineering in Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology and Egerton University sued the Engineering Registration Board after they were denied certification based on the fact that they allegedly lacked adequate qualifications. On Monday, Justice David Majanja ordered the Kenya Engineers Registration Board to pay the complainants 200,000 shillings in damages, which amounts to 2 billion shillings. Justice Majanja added that the board must reconsider the graduates' applications for certification free of charge. In the meantime, in a ruling delivered last Friday, the courts ordered the government to pay 11.5 billion shillings to Orbit Chemical Limited for losses incurred by virtue of not being allowed to use a piece of land along Mombasa Road in Nairobi. Orbit had sued the Registrar of Lands in 2004 for placing a caveat on the 100-acre piece of land soon after Orbit bought it. Once the registrar declared that it had interest in the land, Orbit says it was unable to use it even though they said they had the title. The courts awarded Orbit Chemical Limited 6 billion shillings 3 years ago, but because the government has not paid the money, it has accrued an interest of 5.5 billion shillings. Catherine Omwantho, KTN.